What's going on, guys? Hope you all having a great day today. And in this video, we're going to be finally installing these Aeroflow Dynamics side skirt extensions here. These are the version 1 side skirt extensions here, so they don't have any of like the weird fins or anything going on like that. So we already have one installed, so now we know what's going on. So now we can actually like fully install them in a timely manner. So let's get into it. I'm jacking it up. Your cable is in the way. We're just be every video you're making now is just gonna be me doing all this. Like, yeah, you just invite yourself over and be like, "Oh, dude, you got side skirts? I'm gonna install them." Yeah, because if I let you do it, you're gonna take 5 years, and we just never get to what we're gonna do here. Tight. Is there another hole right there? Is there a hole? Is there a hole right there? Oh, there it is. It's indeed. I'm just making sure I don't make another one. One more, so I need to jack. Of course. Alright boys, so we finally got the second piece of the puzzle to the aero kit installed. Up next is going to be a rear diffuser. But yeah, side skirt's looking minty. It makes my front little splitter there looking a little out of place, but we can fix that real quick. But other than that, looking pretty swell, pretty sweaty. So Tacoma for sale. Crazy. Pop. Got bushes, dude. Somewhat of a busy street, but we're good. Turn it off because dummy low on gas. But anyway boys, that's gonna be my kind of thoughts of the Aeroflow Dynamics side skirt extensions here. They're looking saucy. I like them. Super easy to install. Even though I really didn't do half the work, but yeah, if you have a WRX, I would highly recommend getting the Aeroflow Dynamics side skirt extensions here. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I like the simplicity of the V1s. I don't really like the fins and everything like that that go on the V2s and V3s, but I think that's where we're going to wrap it up here. Kind of a short video, but been busy with work and other things, so I like how you guys have been leaving comments and everything like that, so that's just been kind of a motivator there. But yeah, that'll do it for today's video, boys. Hope you guys had a good one, and see you in the next one. Later.